Hi, today I'm going to give company review on Axis Bank. So firstly, let's discuss about the introduction of Axis Bank. So the tagline of the Axis Bank is Badhti Ka Naam Zindagi, and it has formed in the year 1994. And the main chairpersons are Sanjeev Misra, and coming to Amitabh Chaudhary is the MD and CEO. And it is a type of banking and services industry, and it has been ranked as third in private sector, and it is been located at Mumbai. Its registered office is situated at Ahmedabad. Now let's discuss about the vision and mission statements of Axis Bank. Coming to vision of Axis Bank is to emerge as a best practices bank by pursuing global benchmarks in profitability, operational efficiency, asset quality, risk management, and expanding global reach. To be preferred financial solution provider excelling in customer delivery through insight, empowered employees, and smart use of technology. So mission statement of Axis Bank is customer service and product innovation tuned to diverse need of individual and corporate clientele. Continuous technology upgrading while maintain human values, progressive globalization and achieving international standards, efficiency and effectiveness built on ethical practices. So now let's discuss about transformation from UTI to Axis Bank. Avoiding confusion as several unrelated entities were using the UTI brand. Alphabetically, Axis comes on top on any internet banking. Create fresh brand image by adding dimension other than mutual funds acceptance for terms and conditions from UTI AMC. Coming to international presence, branches it has been situated at branches. It has been having branches at Singapore, Hong Kong, JIFC, Dubai, Colombo, and Shanghai. It has having representative offices at Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Dhaka. Axis Bank at UK Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of the bank. Total assets overseas stood at USD 8.06 billion as of now. So next we'll going to discuss about products and services of Axis Bank. The products and services consist of capital market solutions, credit and financing, other trending services, treasury solutions, and accounts and cards. Coming to innovations, it has been having a thought factory, and it's been gone into Access Mobile, Lime Lifestyle Hub, Axis Bank Suvidha prepaid card. It has been issued youth account ladies first card. Now we'll go discuss with discuss with SWOT analysis. What is a represent of strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats? The strengths of the Axis Bank are brand name, well-distributed network, technology, largest ATM work, and weakness are corporate, wholesale banking, fraudulent activities. Coming to opportunities, it has also consist of opportunities like geographical expansion, banking solutions, global footprint. The and the threats of Axis Bank are RBI regulations, growing competition. Now next we'll discuss about marketing mix. Marketing mix it consists of four P's, which stands for product, place, price, and promotion. Now next we will discuss with financial analysis. It has been traded as rupees 491 Indian rupees as on 30th October 2020. And the shareholder pattern of Axis Bank it consists of promoters, individuals, institutions, financial investor institutions, government, and others. It can be seen that major shareholding are consist of promoters, and the net profit of 2019-20 grew by 23%, that is 23,438 crore, and the net advances retail freight grow has been also increased. Next we'll go on discuss the ratio analysis. We can see the returns ratio. The blue line represents the return on net worth. We can observe, compare it to 5 years from 2016 to 2020, the return on net worth has been gradually decreased, and in the year 2018 has been increased up to a mark, and and coming to 2020 it has been decreased. While coming to margin ratios, we can see that net interest margin has been stable from overall 5 years, and it has been fluctuations of net profit margin and opportunity cost. And we can see the income statement relating to 5 years of Axis Bank. uh, in the year 20, the total income of the Axis Bank is 80,057 crores, and the expenditure is 56,061 crores, and the operating profit is 23,995 crores. We can see in comparing 5 years, it has been increasing emergingly in terms of profit. Next, we'll discuss about network branches of the Axis Bank. Network branches and ATMs, it's multiple channels during business growth, use of technology to provide services. Uh, it has been it has been network of branches, ATMs, mobile banking, internet banking, point of sale, call center. We can see the domestic branch network, it has been increasing over the past 5 years. Now we can go to different types of strategies of Axis Bank. The it contains types of strategies like segmentation strategy, which describes demographic variables, physiographic variables, and social class. Coming to targeting strategy, corporate banking market. This market targets the industries. Capital market consists of this segment is targeted on the long-term needs of the individual as well as the industries. Retail banking market. This segment is for the retail investors. Coming to retail banking market, this segment is for the retail investor and provide them short-term financial credit for their personal household needs. Coming to selective specialization strategy, Axis Bank have different set of credit cards, each targeted at different set of people. And position strategy we consist of it consists of customer centric, service oriented, product innovation. And another type of strategy is cross selling cost reduction strategy. It launched Airtel Money Super Account powered by Axis Bank in non excuse me an off-rails savings bank account of Axis Bank on Airtel's mobile platform in partnership with Infosys. It has been a great advantage to Axis Bank in recent years in collaborating with the Airtel mobile platform. Coming to money transfer with cash out now available across leading remittance corridors, customers can save money and earn interest too. It has also been resulted in almost all SME customers have current account with the bank. Nearly one third of the SME customers avail forex products, forex transfer, foreign exchange, and integration with wealth management resulted in high fee-based income. Coming to relationship marketing strategy, it consists of 78% of SME customers have rated overall quality of RM highly. Key strengths of RM model as per the IMR survey are availability, knowledge level, timely product and service delivery, prominence in responding to queries. Coming to internet banking strategy, offer a unique platform for all its customers, both the individual as well as corporate customers to complete transaction online. It also presents on all the four major social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Now, next we'll discuss about Porter's five forces model of Axis Bank. We know that in Porter's five forces model, it consists of bargaining power of suppliers, threat of substitutes and degree of rivalry, bargaining power of buyer, threat of entry, and threats and opportunities in the external setting. Coming to bargaining power of supplier, Axis Bank sector has low negotiating power compared to other banks, despite the fact the industry has dominance of three gamers, including Powerchip, Nanya, and also Promos. Coming to threat of substitutes, the risk of alternatives out there is high given the fact that Taiwanese producers take on market show international gamers like Intel, Motorola, IBM, Hitachi, NEC, Toshiba, Samsung, and also Fujitsu. Coming to bargaining power of buyers, the market is dominated by gamers like Micron, Elpida, Samsung, and also Hynix, which even more lower the buying powers of Taiwanese OEMs. Coming to threat of entry, the threats of access in the Axis Bank in the managing chain at Axis Bank B production sector are reduced due to the fact that building wafer fabs and also purchasing equipment is highly expensive. For an example, for just 30,000 systems a month, the resource needs can vary from $500 million to 2.5 billion, relying on the size of the units. Coming to threats and opportunities in external setting, based on the interior as well as outside audits, opportunities such as strategic alliances with Mojo partners or growth through merger procurement can be checked out by TMC. Now, coming to Pestil and awards of Axis Bank. Coming to PEST analysis of Axis Bank, PEST stands for political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental. In political, global, national, regional, local, and community trend changes events affects the Axis Bank. In coming to economic, it relates the situations with world, national, and local trends, changes, events, etc. Coming to social, developments in society, culture, behavior, expectations, composition, etc. In the technological, develop in computer hardware, software applications, other equipment, materials, products and processes, etc. The legal consists of world, national legislation, changes, prospects, movements, etc. Environmental consists of global, European Union and national, local issues, pressures, movements, etc. Coming to awards of Axis Bank, Axis Bank has been awarded various awards. Like it wins Customer Engagement Institute of the Year at Economic Times, BFSI Excellence Awards in 2019. Axis Bank also wins Best Digital Bank for the second consecutive year at the 2017 edition and Indian Express Indian Best Banks Awards ceremony held on 30th September 2019. Axis Bank has eight international offices and it has also been awarded as largest ATM network among private banks. And one of its ATM branch is situated at Tegu, Sikkim at height of 13,200 feet above, and this is only the one branch having a debt level of 5. Next, we'll discuss about the recent news has been happened in the Axis Bank. Foreign investment in Axis Bank has been raised from 74 has been fallen from 70% from 62%. Axis Bank rises to 7th meter high. RBI raises FII limit. Fitch rates Axis Bank propose first green bonds. Axis Bank launches innovation lab to invest in startups. Thank you.